infinity inside your eyes. 난 내게 날아가 꿈이란 것도 이제.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. First of all, introduction. My name is Yulia Perdana Sari with number name 33210167 from the English Literature Study Program. Tonight, I will present using 13 of the pronunciation drill course. Unit 40. Sound 1. Head. Push a lot of air out very quickly. Do not touch the roof of your mouth with your tongue. Practice 1. Listen and repeat. Sound 1. Ear. Ear. And old. Ear. Eye. Sound 2. Heel. Heel. Hand. Hold. Here. Height. Okay, now sound in contrast is ill, heel, ill, heel, and hand, old, hold, ear, here, eye, height. Okay, next. Practice 2. Listen and repeat. Hit. Hilda. Mrs. Higgins. Hello. Helen. Husband. Having. Happen. Hospital. Horrible. How. House. Horse. Here. Hope. Perhaps. Behind. Unhappy. Intonation. Listen and repeat. Oh dear. How horrible. How awful. How terrible. Okay, next. 25 words of help. Help. Woo. Hate. Hurry. Hate. Hit. Hot. Head. Hair. Human. Happen. Behavior. Ahead. Have. Holiday. Hug. Downhill. Hurt. Heart. Heavy. Handsome. Whole. Inhale. Heart. Height. Okay, next. Unit 41. Sound 2. T. Put your tongue between your teeth. Blow up air between your tongue and your top teeth. Practice 1. Listen and repeat. Sound 1. Mouse. Some. Sick. Sing. Pass. Sound 2. Mouth. Tongue. Tick. Think. Pet. Okay, now sound in contrast is mouse, mouth, tongue, thumb, tick, tick, sing, think, pass, pat. Okay, next, practice 2. Listen and repeat. Sound 1, 3. First, thin, fret, half. Okay, sound 2, 3, terse, thin, thread, hard. Okay, now sound contrast is 3, 3. First, terse, thin, thin, fret, thread, half, hard. Next, practice 3, listen and repeat. Sound 1, in, 3, thanks, ship. Sound 2, think, 3, thanks, shit. Now sound contrast is in, think, 3, 3, thanks, thanks, shit, shit. And then practice 4, listen and repeat. Thank you, talk, thousand, thirsty, Tuesday, 33, auto, auto, nothing, something, birthday, mathematician, Judith, word, Mrs. Smith, Smith, Edith, month. Okay, next. 25 words of t. Throw, tooth, fate, mat, clothes, truck, bat, something, mount, but, third, thousand, anything, matter, health, north, truth, earth, growth, chatter, thoughtful, thunder, ethics, south, death. Next, Unit 42, Sound 3, the father, the father. First practice t. Use your voice to make 2. Practice 1. Listen and repeat. Sound 1. Then, they, there, those, Ida, and sound 2. 10. Sorry, 10. K, ter, those, Ada. Okay, now sound in contrast is then, 10, they, there, those, so, those, sorry, those and those, Ada. Okay, next. Practice 2. Listen and repeat. Practice these questions and answers. What is this? This is the zoo. What are those? Those are zebras. What is that? That's a zebra. What is this? This is that. What is that? That's 0. What are these? These are zips. What's that? That is Zack. Next. Practice 3. Listen and repeat. Sound 1. Bass. Bass. Close. Whiz. breeze, booze, size, sound to, bat, cloth, wheat, braid, boot, kite. Okay, now sound in contrast is bass, bat, close, cloth, whiz, wheat, breeze, bread, booze, boot, size, kite. Next, practice 4. Listen and repeat. The, this, that, clothes, together, feeder, leader, miss brothers, noder, smoother, redder. Next, 25 words of to. Older, butter, took, therefore, furthermore, mouth, neither, either, then, rather, southern, council, father, mother, another, but, rhythmic, rhythmic, Netherlands, otherwise, nevertheless, altogether, terribly, gather, heater, other some. Okay, next. And the last sound, Unit 43, sound for mouth. Close your lips, use your voice comes through your nose. Practice 1. Listen and repeat. Me, met, may, make, maybe, tomorrow, summer, family, trumpets, Cambridge, remember, him, team, time, come, sun, home, home, Smith, small, smart, mom, homemade, and Tom Mitchell. Okay, next. Intonation has many meanings. Practice this. Means what did you say? Means yes. Means how nice. Okay, next. Last one. 25 words. Same, member, judgment, much, morals, million, need, imagination, American, company, from, meaning, room, come, more, handsome, umbrella, custom, diamonds, married, exclaim, mean, most, mysterious, make. Okay. I think that is my presentation, more or less. Please forgive me for your attention. For your attention. I say thank you. I close by saying wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.